Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to add a photo or image to your Apple Wallet. So there's no actual official way to do that on the Apple Wallet app, but there's another method that you can use to add a photo to your Apple Wallet. So how to actually do that? First, you need to go to your App Store, and from here you need to search for this app. Its name is Card Manager Digital Wallet. As you from here, you need to click on Get, and after you do that, you need to open the app. So, from the app dashboard, you will find four menus: Gift, Loyalty, Membership, and All. You need to click on All section, and from there, you will see Add Card section. You can click on the Add Card section. After that, you will find Others option. You need to click on it, and from there, you will have an option to add an image. So, you can click on Add an image, and from there, you can add the image or wallet photo that you want. So after you add the photo, you will have an option to add it to Apple Wallet. Click on that option, and now you successfully added the photo to your Apple Wallet. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.